Ever thought about how it would feel to have your skin resemble the famous glass skin showcased by many celebrities? Have you tried every routine you can think of, but you haven't achieved what you want yet? Well, you might be missing something, or maybe you got it all wrong in the first place. The good news is, you won't have to wait much longer. This video will reveal the ultimate skincare routine for achieving glass skin. Before we begin, here is an interesting fact. The history of cosmetics actually spans a whole 6,000 years. We can only imagine what the beauty trend was during that period. Regardless of that, one thing we know for sure is that beauty trends are ever changing. But the glass skin trend is something we don't think will disappear easily. This new trend is all about achieving clear and radiant skin that resembles a pane of glass. Everyone wants the flawless, dewy skin showcased by celebrities online. Some of us try out numerous routines and use dozens of products without achieving lasting results, which leads us to question if achieving radiant skin is truly possible. Well, it is relatively simple, but before we delve into that, let's explore the origins of the glass skin trend, what glass skin looks like, and finally, the ultimate step-by-step routine for achieving glass skin. Glass skin is a beauty concept that originated from South Korea, a nation notable for its advanced skincare therapy. It embodies the Korean beauty philosophy that skin shouldn't be temporarily altered or masked, but should be nurtured and cared for. Glass skin refers to a specific look characterized by smooth, flawless, shining skin, similar to glass clear and pristine surface. The origin of the term glass skin can be traced from the yuri pibu, a Korean phrase which translates to glass skin. It's not just about having a blemish-free skin, but skin that looks lit from the inside, with a healthy, radiant, and almost transparent appearance. Can I really achieve glass skin through a skincare routine? Yes, glass skin is real, and anyone can achieve it with the right skincare routine and products, of course. Regardless of your skin type, you can definitely achieve glass skin as long as you follow our routine carefully and consistently. But hey, lastly, let's clarify a few things first. Sometimes the flawless skin showcased by celebrities online is not entirely natural, especially the extreme cases where their complexion appears unreal. You may not actually believe this is possible. Nonetheless, achieving a truly glass-like skin with a glossy appearance, supple and clear skin is very much possible. After all, it has been a Korean practice for decades. Reasons why you may not have glass skin yet?
Everyone out there, put away the contour sticks because the latest beauty trend is all about natural skin.
Yeah.
A beauty blogger's photo of her perfect skin has taken over the internet and set a new standard in beauty, as commenters are calling it glass skin.
One thing we have learned after doing some research on the Korean glass skin routine is that glass skin routine is treated as a ritual. To achieve results in a short period of time, you have to be consistent. Really, really consistent. Also, it's very important to keep in mind that genes vary, so what might take 2 to 3 months to work for someone might take longer for you. That's where the law of consistency comes in. It's like a road you walk on without looking back. The glass skin routine seems like Koreans are setting an unrealistic standard for skincare. But after conducting research on this new skincare routine that everyone seems to be talking about, we realized that glass skin is achievable. To achieve it, you need to have a good skincare routine that includes using products that will help hydrate and nourish your skin. You also need to make sure you are getting enough sleep and drinking plenty of water. If you're looking to achieve glass skin, then continue listening as we capture everything in detail. Your skin type plays a significant role. If we were to list the various factors that could contribute to why you don't yet have that glass routine, this would top our list. If you have oily skin and you use routines or products tailored for dry skin types, chances are you won't get the results you want, and might even end up with some complications. According to beauty specialists, skin types are classified based on the production of sebum and the skin's ability to retain moisture. The 3 primary categories include oily skin, dry skin, and combination skin. For the oily skin type, it is characterized by a shiny appearance and enlarged pores due to excessive sebum production, often leading to issues such as acne and blackheads. We recommend using products that regulate oil production while maintaining skin hydration for this skin type. Dry skin, on the other hand, feels tight, may exhibit flaky patches, and lacks moisture. To address dryness, individuals should focus on incorporating hydrating cleansers, toners, serums, and moisturizers to restore lost moisture. Combination skin presents a blend of oily and dry skin, typically with a dry cheeks and oily T-zone. T-zone comprises the forehead, nose, and chin. Managing this skin type involves finding a balance between moisturizing the dry areas and controlling oiliness in the T-zone. Understanding one's specific skin type is crucial for making informed decisions when selecting from the diverse range of skincare products available in the market. Now that's done, let's take a look at the ultimate skincare routine for achieving glass skin. This routine primarily boils down to 3 things: cleanse, moisturize, and protect. As simple as these 3 steps are, unfortunately, most people get them wrong most of the time. Cleanse. This is the initial step in any skincare routine. However, what most people get wrong is that they follow the normal standard method of cleansing. If you are truly passionate about achieving glass skin, you will have to do much more than that. First, start with the gentle cleansing method, which involves using a mild, moisturizing cleanser to remove impurities, makeup, and oils from the skin. It is essential to select a gentle cleanser that does not deplete the skin's natural oils, as this can result in dryness and flakiness. Preserving the skin's natural barrier is crucial to prevent damage. It is advisable to choose a cleanser containing ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or chamomile extract, which help maintain skin hydration. For individuals with normal, dry, or mature skin types, it is recommended to use a cleansing jelly or lotion. Conversely, individuals with oily, combination, or acne-prone skin should choose a hydrating foaming cleanser. Following gentle cleansing comes double cleansing, which is an important step in achieving Korean glass skin. Koreans go above and beyond to stand out, so you should too. The process involves first using an oil-based cleanser to effectively remove oil-based impurities, followed by a water-based cleanser to eliminate any remaining makeup, sunscreen, and impurities. This double cleansing routine is particularly essential if you already have makeup on. You don't want to apply skincare products on top of impurities still left on your skin. The oil-based cleanser works to dissolve and remove oil-based impurities, while the water-based cleanser targets impurities on the skin's surface. Double cleansing plays a significant role in ensuring a thoroughly cleansed canvas for subsequent skincare routines. Moisturize. The main goal of a skincare routine is often to keep the skin hydrated and moisturized for an extended period. Hydration is essential for achieving glass skin, where water content in the skin cells is increased. Moisturization involves sealing in that moisture and strengthening the skin barrier. It is important to choose the right moisturizer that suits your skin type, doesn't cause breakouts, and provides a soothing and brightening effect. For oily, combination, or acne-prone skin, opt for lightweight, non-sticky moisturizers. Look for products containing niacinamide if you have large pores. Ingredients like ceramides, glycerin, and hyaluronic acid are great for locking in moisture without feeling heavy on the skin. Dry skin types should use a moisturizing cream followed by a face oil. Those with dry patches or aging concerns should seek products with ceramides or hyaluronic acid for their barrier-repairing properties. It is important to remember that staying hydrated and moisturized are essential for achieving glass skin. By incorporating these principles into your daily routine with high-quality products tailored to your specific needs, you can work towards achieving a radiant complexion similar to the ideals of Korean skincare. Protect. Whether you are following a routine to get a glass skin or a regular skincare routine, sunscreen is a crucial component to maintain skin health and prevent premature aging. Chemical sunscreens are generally preferred over physical sunscreens to avoid a matte or gray-white cast appearance. If you have sensitive skin and can only use physical sunscreens, opt for a hydrating lotion instead. It is important to apply sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every few hours, especially when outdoors, to shield the skin from UV damage. Going the extra mile, Korean glass skin cheat code. To achieve glass skin, it is important to be highly motivated and dedicated to following a thorough skincare routine. As stated earlier, in Korea, skincare is treated like a sacred ritual, and in addition to the basic steps mentioned earlier, there are additional measures that must be taken to ensure the desired glass skin effect. One crucial step is exfoliation, which typically follows cleansing. Korean skincare emphasizes gentle exfoliation using chemical exfoliants such as alpha hydroxy acids or beta hydroxy acids instead of harsh physical scrubs. These chemical exfoliants work at a deeper cellular level without causing abrasion. After cleansing and exfoliation, Koreans incorporate multiple hydration steps into their routine. This multi-step approach aims to layer products for better absorption and effectively address various skin concerns. The first hydration step involves using toners. Toning is often overlooked, but it plays a significant role in skincare. After cleansing, toning helps to close pores, soften the skin, restore its pH balance, and enhance its overall appearance. It is recommended to use a gentle, alcohol-free toner for optimal results. Next in the skincare routine are essences, which are slightly thicker than toners and contain active ingredients to deeply hydrate and promote cellular turnover. Essences are a key component of the Korean skincare routine, offering both light and intense hydration that easily absorbs into the skin, instantly brightening it. Moving forward, serums play a crucial role in skincare routines by not only hydrating the skin, but also evening out skin tone, plumping the skin, reducing fine lines, and maintaining moisture balance throughout the day. Sheet masks are another popular product in Korean beauty routines, saturated with serums that provide intense hydration and target specific skin concerns. To maximize absorption, it is important to apply these products in order from thinnest to thickest consistency. Additionally, to optimize the benefits of this comprehensive skincare routine, it is essential to stay hydrated by drinking enough water, maintain a balanced diet for overall skin health, ensure an adequate amount of sleep, and manage stress effectively to prevent negative impacts on the skin. What are your thoughts on the glass skin routine? Is it worth going through such stress to achieve this skin desired by millions of people? Do you think a regular skincare routine can achieve the desired results? Or is a cosmetic procedure necessary? Feel free to let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, please remember to subscribe to this channel and share this video. See you in the next one.